Hi, welcome to Kimberly's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my boneless, skinless chicken thighs with peppers and onions. First, I'll season the chicken with some ground black pepper, pink Himalayan sea salt, and some granulated garlic. And if you're watching your sodium intake, you can easily substitute the salt with a substitute of your choice, possibly Mrs. Dash. Now cut about 3 mini bell peppers. Carefully clean out the seeds. And cut your peppers into strips. Now cut your onion in half and carefully slice each half. Now you're going to snap each end off of your green beans. And here's your final product. Now, over a medium heat, add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And carefully add your chicken thighs. Now add your peppers and onions. You can use as much or as little as you like. Cook over a medium heat for approximately 20 minutes or until your chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Now you have your green beans in your steamer for about 7 minutes. Add your rice to the boiling water. Stir. Turn the heat down to medium. And let that simmer for 10 minutes until all the water is absorbed. Now while your beans are still warm, season them with some ground black pepper, some granulated garlic, pink Himalayan sea salt, grated parmesan cheese, and slivered almonds. Now to season your rice, you're going to use a little bit of ground black pepper, granulated garlic, and some pink Himalayan sea salt. Now that your chicken is done, we're ready to plate. Add a little bit of parsley flakes for garnish. And there you have it, a healthy, delicious chicken dinner.